Huh? We walking through the forest like forest people. It's so fun. You can bet on me. Oh, let's look up here. I'll be right back. Ooh, nature. Oh, look, nature. Yeah. Oh, nature. Okay, gotta go now. Stairs or trail? We're taking the path less traveled, but still pretty traveled. Looking like Bridge to Terabithia or something. City for life. Just kidding, nature love. Woo. Yes, you can, Kayla. She's Instagram ready. Look at the pretty water. Ha, Cypress Creek. Gorgeous, honey, gorgeous. Now I'm wearing sunglasses. We're in a big open field. Saw some children playing games. Really embracing nature right now, as you can see. No city slickers here. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh, a bench.
Is it?
In the forest. Yes, that's a bench. Like a chair thing. Which way will we go? This way. Ooh, trash bag. We're almost home. We're almost home. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Merry Chrysler. Merry Chrysler.
Wouldn't it be nice? Welcome to Cypress Market. Time to find some butter. Oh, it smells really nice. World Series champ. First you get the butter, and then you get sprinkles. Sprinkles. I too.